One of the most simple biscuits is what we are making today, dear friends. This is the crunchiest choco biscuit, the recipe for which I was searching for a long time, and finally I have succeeded. This is an eggless recipe, so it can be tried even by your young children. Just measure out the ingredients and they would love making and baking it. It's that simple. We'll start, and all the ingredients, by the way, are easily available in anyone's home all times. The softened butter, we will beat it, whisk it till it is light and fluffy. Add powdered sugar little by little and whisk it very well. Creaming of butter and sugar together is very important. After that, into that lightened butter sugar mixture, we will add all the ingredients. No need to sift or no need to mix them beforehand. Just mix them all together. And since this won't come together, we will add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk, and then make a very soft dough out of this. Now this is how soft it will be, and you may keep, once the dough comes together, you will know, because the glass bowl will be very clean. All dough will come together, and after that you may keep this in the refrigerator for around 15 to 20 minutes to rest. And after that, just to give it that easy finish, to get that easy finish and easy technique, I've just rolled out small balls out of it and then flatten each roll into a biscuit shaped, with your fingers only, biscuit shaped this, and keep it in the oven. You have to bake it at 170 degree for around 13 to 14 minutes, so the cooking time is also very less. You don't have to flatten it so much because it spreads out, so I came to know, so this is one thing which you have to keep in mind, that leave enough space between each biscuit because they tend to spread a little. So you have to leave space, and even if you make it roll out it into thick, this is how crunchy, and you can hear how crunchy it has turned out. And it's so yummy and tasty that I had to put it away so that I won't finish eating all of them. It's that yummy. So do try out, and each and every member of your family would love this biscuit. That is my 100% guarantee. So do try out this yummy, easy, crunchy, the crunchiest choco biscuits ever. So do try out, and please do share and subscribe to my channel, and tell your friends about this channel, Gluten Free India. Thank you.